What's up, guys? Welcome back to Angle Grinders and Ideas. Today is a new day, and with new days, we have new cars. I got the guy coming up outside. It's a brand new, to me, wrecked 2006 Toyota Tacoma X-Runner. Check it out.
Can you just pull past the mailbox a little bit, and I'll just drop it down right here in front of the driveway?
Here we go. This is another sight unseen one. Looks not too bad. Let's see. How's it going?
Pretty good, man.
Tires don't look too shabby. All I do when they got keys. Keys are nice. We got some Chick-fil-A back here. Maybe we can still eat it. Maybe it's still good. No console. I don't know where that is. Climate control. No AC. It's pretty much a Mighty Max. Just a glorified Mighty Max. All right, we're done here. Let's get it inside. All right, so before I go and try to push this thing all the way in, tow guy's still here, but he ain't helping. He's out. I want to make sure, they say it runs and drives, right? And I've talked about this before, that sometimes it says run and drive like the Evo, but it doesn't really run and drive. So we got a couple things I noticed right away. Got no wiper blades. Why they took that off, who knows? But you gotta be careful, because I've seen these things. I used to work at Advanced Auto Parts, and this kid was changing wipers for a customer, and he dropped one of these, and it shattered like this whole portion right here. Obviously the whole windshield was toast. So I don't know, maybe it's a Hoonigan thing. Anyway, upon first visual inspection, so I got no hood latch, but it is right here, so that's great. I knew the hood was toast. These hoods are kind of hard to get. I can't find this inside vent. I've already been looking online to see what I need. I knew I needed a lower core support. You can tell it's definitely destroyed, but the frame rails, again, like the Evo, are in fantastic shape. This aluminum bash bar thing never got touched, which is also fantastic. And the radiator and condenser are toast. But good thing is I already ordered a radiator, condenser, and core support. I got all that stuff on the way, and I think the fenders were untouched. This looks to be pulled in, but maybe I can fix it. And then I don't know what this, I'm not gonna touch that. I don't know what that is. And then on this side, no, I guess that's just how the fenders look. Maybe this one's pushed into, I don't know. So I gotta get some headlights for it, but I wanted to wait and see, because a lot of times stuff is in the bed. For example, the side skirts are missing, but I think they're back there. So I'm gonna check that. But before I start it, I wanna make sure it's at least startable. So it looks pretty toast as far as the straightness of the radiator and condenser goes. It's pretty tweaked. And it's missing some stuff up here. Got a sweet little intake. I'm sure that's worth about 3 horsepower. And I checked the coolant, and there's none in there, but it's okay. You can run them for, you know, a little bit. So I'll put that back on to not lose it, and then we're gonna see if it's got oil in it. And it's got some on the dipstick, and it looks pretty clean. So with that being said, that's my visual inspection. I did notice it's missing a fan. This thing probably has an electric fan. They could have a clutch fan that bolts in the middle there, but I don't know. So to me, it looks good enough to try and fire up. The battery was replaced in 2013, so it might be toast as well. But it's enough for me to get in it and try to start it and not be worried about, you know, spinning a bearing or something else. Now, I have not started this thing yet, but upon realizing the mileage is not showing up, it might be dead. If it is, I'll go get the battery box. I'll come back. Yeah, we got no power. So hold please, one moment. Oh, look at that. Look at that clearance. Hi, see ya. Never getting fixed, fuck you. Look at all this shit. Somebody else's front bumper. The Tacoma bumper. Looks like a headlight over there. All kinds of good stuff. Hood prop, give me a hood prop. Tell me there's a hood prop. Why do they never have hood props? No one likes hood props. It's ridiculous, honestly. It makes it really hard. Hold on. Over here. Side skirts still look pretty good. They just fell off. I'm gonna repaint these, but I don't want to scratch them. Obviously, I'm blocking the damn street too, so gotta try to move. X-Runner. Sorry. My bad, Davenport Environmental. I apologize. Does this have a fuel cell? Oh my God, it doesn't. It's got a regular fuel tank. Thank you, sweet infant baby, 4-pound, 7-ounce Jesus. Oh God, all right. These doors open? No? Yes? Yes, wait. They do. That's sick, okay. Oh, dude, it had an amp. They're bumping. I'm literally gonna take these and put them in something else. Now I might leave them. Look at these back seats. This is for insurance purposes. There's no way this is comfortable. Pants? I'm looking for pants. Jesus, 34 by 34. He's taller than me, but he also maybe a little bit fatter than me. So I gotta just accept it. Everyone's gonna be taller than me. Fuck. All right, let's see. Here we go. Here's our hood prop. We don't need this. Get rid of that. Let's shove this piece of shit in here. Ow. I ended up holding these things on my damn head, but this is a steel hood. This is not easy. There's a lot more. Alright, look at that quality shit. You see that? This is how you know you're a real fucking mechanic, when you can do shit like this, right? See that? Is that gonna fall? Oh, definitely likely. There's a really high chance it's gonna fall. And it's probably not gonna fall until I get under it. Alright, making progress. This is how you get shit done right here. See this? Okay, we got a fucking ground cable on here. Always do positive side first. I'm glad I just set the example by doing it the wrong way. I know it's a jump box, doesn't matter as much, but I'm just saying. Do like I say, not like I do. You don't do anything I say, I don't know anything. Let's see. This thing should be ready to power me up and it's got nothing. What's going on? Wouldn't that be great if I hooked it up wrong and like tried to start it and just fucking exploded it while on camera here? Don't tell me you got no juice, man. I know these are making a connection. What are we talking about here? This is clearly connected. Is there a fuse blown? Because this thing does not know it's hooked up to a battery right now. There we go. What's that? Heard that? You guys hear that noise? That's what we need. What's going on here? Why is this not registering? It's not corroded. Not enough to not work. Is it corroded that bad? I hear it making noise. You guys hear that? There we go. It's ready to jump. Let's hope the motor's not toast. We got ignition. We got mileage. 129,000, 130 miles. It's a damn X-Runner and it's got slide seats. Let's see if it starts. Heard it's a 6-speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's reverse? Oh, there it is. Okay. Damn, look at that. She runs. You guys see this? Is there a tack there? There we go. They also cut all the mufflers off, it sounds like. So that's gonna have to be fixed, because that's just absurd. Windows work? Woo! That one work? Sure does. Look at this. So much better than the Evo as far as inspection goes. Are you guys happy? I'm happy. So happy. All right, so how are we gonna get, let's just drive it like this. We got this. We got this. Get in it, clutch is fried. Could be possible. You guys know I'm learning how to drive stick on this one right now. Just kidding, totally kidding. There it goes, she's moving. Moving on her own power. It's absolutely fantastic news, guys. I'm really, really stoked because you just don't know. It's a box of chocolates. But, you know, yeah, so here we go. Going along. They say the best drivers can drive with the hoods up, so I don't know if that means a lot to you guys, but it means a hell of a lot to me. And we're in it. We're out of the danger zone, guys. We're here. I'm happy. Parking brake works. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. Maybe keep the window cracked so I don't get locked out. Let's let it run. Oh no, never mind. There's no coolant in this thing. Sorry. Whoops. We're not gonna do that. All right, see you guys in a minute. So the truck's all moved into its new respective parking spot for the next couple days.
and I just want to give you guys a once-over, walk around the whole thing, show you what it needs, what I know it needs right away, and what I'm not sure about. So the side skirts, I think I'm okay on those. I know those are specific to the X-Runner, and I don't think I need new ones. I kind of gave it a quick glance, and they look to be all right, but I could be completely wrong when I pull them out. They're definitely scratched up a bit, so maybe I can scuff some of that stuff out. A lot of this stuff I really don't know. This front bumper might actually be okay, but I'm sure if nothing else it needs to be at least be painted because it is laying on its face back there, but it's probably pretty destroyed. The radiator looks like it was hit pretty hard, so I know that's got to go. Like I said before, I already got a radiator and condenser on the way. The radiator showed up yesterday actually, or 2 days ago. The core support should be here soon too, and now after receiving the truck I can go ahead and order the rest of the stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all this stuff out and see if there's anything that I'm missing. But I know for a fact that there are a lot of circles on here for insurance stuff. Now, they normally circle all the scratches and whatnot, but it doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. I think that they almost want to total these things out once they get to a point, and so they kind of just go crazy with it. Sorry about the lawnmowers over there. They just decided to interrupt me so rudely. But yeah, I know we need a hood. I know we need the core support. I already talked about that. And then there could be a couple of things. This AC line is absolutely not going to work, so that's going to have to be changed out. Maybe I can find a base Tacoma one at the junkyard. That would save me some time and money. Maybe I can weld a fitting to this condenser thing and make an adapter and run some standard barrier hose. I don't really want to mess with that if I don't have to. But yeah, we're well on our way. I feel pretty happy about it. Go to the inside. I know I showed you this already too. We are positive that we need this. We don't have that. We need a shift boot and a shift knob. The previous owner probably had some aftermarket stuff in here, and it was a mad dash to pull it out, much like the Evo, minus the thousands of dollars in parts that were taken out quickly. We need a climate control with some sort of radio. The seats are super clean. There's a stain here, but that's really it. They're in great shape. The bolsters aren't ripped. They're not torn. And then the back seat, like I showed you, has got a bunch of trash in it. Got some nice pants in it. Got some leftover Chick-fil-A. But overall, maybe it's got a check that hasn't been cashed. Would we be so lucky? Could we do that? Fraud? Oh no, let's go places. Classic Toyota of Wilkesboro. All right, I don't think this thing counts as a classic yet. But yeah, there it is. That's the overall, guys. So we got some more work cut out for us, but not too much. Not too much at all. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm really stoked on the new Tacoma. Now, you might have a few questions. The one being, why did you buy another vehicle when you've got 3 other projects? And that's true. I've got the FRS, I've got the Evo, and I got my personal truck, which I still have yet to show you guys. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get to it. I just can't get it off the lift to gain access to it right now. I've got too much other stuff going on. The Evo's been a whole thing of its own that kind of escalated. That thing is coming together. I've got another video coming out for the Evo pretty soon. But yeah, you know what? When I was like 4 years old, my dad taught me, if you don't jump on a deal, someone else will. The Tacoma was a good deal. Now I have more of a parking lot than a driveway. But that's okay. I'm stoked on it, and I hope you guys are too. So as always, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Did I just say that out loud? Nah, just kidding. Fuck it. Don't do any of that. Just subscribe if you like the channel. If you subscribe, I know you're watching, and that motivates me to film more videos. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Peace out.